Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn off password expiration on your Windows device. So it can definitely be very annoying if your password is continuously expiring, or maybe you're the only user on your computer and you're constantly being prompted after every so many days that you need to change your password before it expires. So this brief tutorial will hopefully permanently disable that. So pretty straightforward tutorial that we have in store for you guys today. And we are going to start by opening up the start menu, and we're going to type in LUS R MGR.MSC. So on Windows 10, the best match should show up right over the Microsoft Common Console document. On Windows 7 and Windows 8, it should just have the LUSRMGR.MSC, no writing underneath. Either way, it should have a similar icon next to it on the left side. So you want to left click on it. So now that we are in this new window, you want to go underneath users and left click on it once. And now for whichever account you want to turn off password expiration for, you want to double click on it. So I'm going to double click on that. So we can see that it's currently set to user must change password at next to log on. So if for some reason this is checked, you want to uncheck it, and then you want to make sure you check password never expires right here. So make sure you select that, password never expires. You click apply and OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you need to enter any passwords or anything in to save the change, you might need to do that. Just follow along with the on-screen instructions. But for the most part, this was a pretty simple tutorial. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.